Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Pinterest to drive traffic and make money with affiliate marketing. I'll walk you through how to join affiliate programs, how to get your affiliate links. Then I'll show you how to create a catching pins that attract clicks and conversions. We will also cover the best strategies to optimize your Pinterest account for affiliate marketing using AI. Finally, I'll share tips on how to drive consistent traffic to your pins and start earning commissions. If you are looking for a way to make money online with free traffic, this video is for you, and let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and last 7 days I made $5,971 in commissions using free traffic promoting my affiliate links on Pinterest. So first, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so here is what you will do. You will go first to Fiverr. And as you can see over here, in the last 7 days, I made $5,971 in commissions with affiliate marketing using free traffic. And just last month, I made $17,975 in commissions, and it's paid. This is my invoice, as you can see over here. And so for people who want, to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from Pinterest, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for this website. Okay, first you need to create an affiliate website. So step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company. Let me show you. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, anyway, just click here on join now, and here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. Go to Google and search for Pinterest. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy, and you should know that Pinterest has a lot of traffic. Maybe it has like 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are promoting the right product to the right people who are using Pinterest. Okay, and Pinterest also is a search engine platform, so you can get so much traffic. You just need to optimize your pins to rank in the search results of Pinterest, and I will show you how you can do it. So this will be your home page after you finish your sign up process with Pinterest. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting as an Fiverr affiliate marketer, as an affiliate. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will start promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Okay, so which service you will start promoting on Pinterest as a beginner? So let me show you. Go back to your homepage on Fiverr. Go back to this homepage. click on the search and search for Pinterest marketing. This is the service that you should start promoting as a beginner on Pinterest. Why we choose this one? Because this service will help people who are using Pinterest, who has businesses on Pinterest, to grow their businesses account or to grow their businesses on Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest marketing, it's related to Pinterest. People who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to buy this service. I will share with you the proof. Okay, so you will search for Pinterest marketing. If you scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this as a service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. So for example, let's choose one of those sellers. For example, I will promote your products website to my, this one will promote products. It's not about Pinterest marketing. I will manage and grow and boost marketing as Pinterest queen. This one is good. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service. I will choose this one. And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This is the proof, like I said. You see this? 35 orders in queue. Over 400 reviews. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. So guys, which people will buy this service? Which people are paying for this service? Of course, those people who are using Pinterest, okay? People who has businesses on Pinterest, they are already interested in this service, and this is the proof. You guys can see here 35 orders in queue. Already people are buying this service. Okay, so what you will do, for you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, to this Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Go and open your Pinterest account. Click on home feed. Click on create pin over here. And here you go. You will be directly in this page. What you will do next, go back to this seller profile page. And you see this seller has a video which is really good. Okay, you can double click on the video and you can click on save video, and you can save this video and use it on Pinterest, or you can click here and you can also use picture. Okay, this seller profile picture. Okay, you will click on the picture and you will double click and click on save image and save this picture to your laptop like this. What you can also do, if you want to make your own video, you can turn screen recording on, okay, and record a slideshow video showing the results of the customer of this seller. So here is what you will do. Like for example, turn your screen recording on and keep clicking here, and you will get the results of people who already paid for this service. You see, 5-star, amazing job, those people are satisfied. And you can record slideshow video that you can use on Pinterest. Okay, like this. Thank you for your professional. You see this, 5-star, people are satisfied. You see, very nice seller. And you can record this results of those people. So when people who are using Pinterest, when they will see this video, they will see the results of those people. Of course, they will buy and they will give it a try, and they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So record slideshow video like this, and you can also go and upload it on Pinterest. So for me, I will use the picture like I just download. I will go back to Pinterest and I will click here and I will upload the picture. Like I said, you can use the video or you can create a slideshow video showing the results of the customers who already paid for this service, so you can show to people what they can expect if they buy this service. Okay, they will get good results. So I will click on open And here you go, you need title and you need description. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and you will copy his title. And now we will use the power of AI. So copy this title and go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Okay, it's for free, you can use it for free, and it's very helpful for you guys as beginners to scale your affiliate marketing business. So just click here on message and ask him, turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank in the first page. Okay, and put this Fiverr title here and just click here and you will get an amazing optimized Pinterest pin title. You guys can see, copy this title like this, go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Scroll down, you need description, go back to ChatGPT, ask him, I want description from this title, and he will give you a Pinterest description that you can use. And here you go, you see, copy this description. AI is really amazing, guys. Okay, you should start using AI if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business. Put this description here like this, scroll down, you need to put here title. Okay, sorry, you need to put your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you created a new account with Fiverr affiliates, you can't see this option, Fiverr Stay Pay old plan, but you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliates accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and they still have this option. So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. You need tags here. So you can go to ChatGPT and ask him to give me, okay, tags about this pin. Okay, and he will give you tags that you guys can use. You see, you have Pinterest marketing, social media management, Pinterest growth. Copy those tags. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and put those tags here. Put all those tags here. Okay, and after you finish, click on publish. And here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, let's refresh the page to get this, and here you go, you guys can see this is exactly how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, and this is exactly how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner with free traffic. Guys, focus on, if you focus just in this one service about Pinterest that will help people to grow their businesses on Pinterest, you can make so much money. Try different method, try pictures, try videos, and if you can even make your own video, okay, if you can create your own content that you can use to promote the services, you can make so much money. And that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. Inside my course, you can get access to everything, to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how you can create content, how you can create an affiliate website, how you can grow and scale your affiliate marketing business, and so much more. Also, you will get access to my team and I to help you if you have or you face any problems, or if you didn't understand something, you can always reach out to us and we will help you and guide you step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Also, those methods that I'm sharing in my YouTube channel, they are working. A lot of people are reaching out to me in my email address and they are thanking me for sharing these methods. They are already started making results just with these free methods that I'm sharing in my YouTube channel for free. I'm happy with this, and that's why I will keep sharing a lot of more methods for free in my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment affiliate marketing if you want to see more videos like this. And I want to explain something, guys. I want to make this clear. this commission that I made in the last 7 days, it didn't come from just Pinterest. I'm using Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and so much more. Okay. In this video, I shared with you my method with Pinterest. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Also, guys, if you have a new Pinterest account, please start with posting just between 1 and 3 affiliate links per day. Okay. You post one affiliate link, for example, today. After like 3 or 4 hours, you can post another affiliate link. Okay. So if you have new accounts, and after few weeks, then you can start promoting between up to 5 affiliate links per day. And you can also create multiple Pinterest accounts. I have like between 3 and 5 Pinterest accounts that I'm using to promote my affiliate links. And this account that I'm sharing with you in this YouTube channel, it's just to show you how you can do it. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching again. See you in my next video.